Removing your Stan payment subscription is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Stan account cancel. Now tap to open a Stan site to get help about it. Once you get into its site, click on Cancel My Stan Subscription. Then you will find the solution here. So to cancel a Stan subscription, all you need to do is use a web browser on a Mac or PC. Head over to stan.com.au and log in to your account. Hover your mouse over your profile in the top right corner and select Manage Account. Then, locate the Cancel Your Subscription option under Subscription Information and follow the prompts. Your service will not end right away. It will cease at the end of your last billed period. Also, you can follow the process through the screenshots describing the whole process.